What is Negotiable Instrument Act? The Negotiable Instruments Act of 1881 is a law that defines and governs promissory notes, bills of exchange, and checks. It also provides legal protection to the transactions involving these instruments, defines negotiable instruments as promissory notes, bills of exchange, or checks, provides rights, liabilities, and protections to the issuers, payees, and other parties, includes chapters on presentment, payment and interest, and negotiation by endorsement and delivery. Rangappa, a contractor, and Sri Mohan, a building supervisor, had known each other for over 15 years. In June 2000, Rangappa sought a hand loan of 45,000 rupees from Sri Mohan. To repay this loan, Rangappa issued a post-dated check dated February 8, 2001, for the said amount. However, upon presentation, the check was dishonored due to a stop payment instruction from Rangappa. This led Sri Mohan to file a complaint under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881, which deals with check dishonor offenses. The central issue before the court was, does issuing a stop payment instruction absolve the drawer from liability under Section 138? To address this issue, we turn to Section 139 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, which presumes that a check is issued for the discharge of a debt or liability. This means that when a check is dishonored, the law automatically assumes it was issued for a valid debt. In the court, Rangappa admitted his signature on the check, but claimed it was a blank check that had been lost and subsequently misused by Sri Mohan. He contended that there was no existing debt or liability between them. Rangappa's defense was that the check was lost, and he had issued a stop payment instruction to his bank upon realizing its loss. Mohan maintained that the check was issued to repay the loan that he had extended to Rangappa in the court. The trial court found discrepancies in Sri Mohan's statements regarding the timing and nature of the loan, leading to Rangappa's acquittal. However, upon appeal, the High Court reversed this decision, emphasizing the statutory presumption under Section 139 and noting that Rangappa had failed to rebut this presumption effectively. The matter eventually reached the Supreme Court, which had to decide on the applicability of the presumption under Section 139 and the burden of proof on the drawer. There is a presumption of a legally enforceable debt under Section 139. His presumption includes the existence of a debt or liability, and the burden shifts to the drawer to rebut this